Greeting, this is Marco. We're going to be looking at how we can uninstall this particular app here. Yes, very important. So for instance, I don't really want it again on my desktop. How can I really remove it? Right? The first thing that I want to do is come right here, the startup menu. I'm going to click. Now bring up this little window right here. I'm going to click right here on settings. When I click on settings, notice this is what happened. So we're going to come right in the middle here and maximize it so that come big. If you notice, you see system, you see device, you see phone, network, personalization, ease of access, gaming, language, update and security, account, privacy, search, but app is what we want to focus on. So we're going to click on the word app. Now we're going to take us here. So what we will see is app and features, app default, offline app, right, app for website, playback, right down here. You actually can come right over here where scroll bar is, you can come right here and just click and take a time and come up, just like that. You're going to search exactly for the one that you want to uninstall. So you take a time and you scroll up like that. You search for the one that you really want, and this is the one that you want to get rid of, right? So when you put the cursor upon it, you just click it. When you click, you know what it is, shows a modify right here, so it shows uninstall right here. So when you click on uninstall, what's up here, so it says this app and it's related will be uninstalled. So you're going to click on run uninstall again. You notice right, so it says show it uninstalling. Right, so that's the process. Now we bring it to this particular screen, which is a yes. Right, when you click on yes now, well, you find out that it actually move it. Right, if you notice here, are you sure you want to move the ice cream PDF completely? And then I'm going to say yes. Very good. And if you notice right here, show that it actually uninstall. Right, so notice it should that you remove from your computer. So when you finish all of that, come all the way here, right, and click here the X. Close it, and if you notice, it's not on your computer anymore. That is how you actually uninstall